Can a few herbal drops really restore your vision by rebuilding brain receptors? That's exactly what EyeFortin.com claims with its natural ultra-absorbable dropper, a product that promises to dramatically improve eyesight, sharpen focus, and support long-term eye health using ingredients like eyebright extract, alpha-GPC, and huperzine E. Is marketed as a revolutionary breakthrough. But in a world full of too-good-to-be-true supplements and sketchy health promises, it's important to separate fact from fiction. In this video, we take a critical and balanced look at EyeFortin. Starting with the company's lack of transparency, there's no About Us page, no contact info tied to a real business, and no clear origin of who manufactures the product. We also dig into their bold statements about being FDA registered, GMP certified, and made in the US, none of which are backed by any real verification or documentation. There are no publicly available third-party lab reports, no peer-reviewed clinical studies, and no proven science directly linking these ingredients to the dramatic vision improvements being promised. Add to that a stream of 5-star reviews that all sound eerily similar, and which can't be found on trusted review platforms like Trustpilot or major retailers, and it becomes harder to trust the narrative being sold. That said, some of the listed ingredients do have known health properties, but whether they work together in this formula, and whether they actually impact eyesight through the claimed brain pathways, is highly questionable. So is EyeFortin a genuine innovation in vision support, or just another internet product with a fancy label and vague science? Watch the full review as we break down the evidence, raise the right questions, and help you make an informed decision before you consider buying.